Good evening. It's fine. Stay. Issues with this unit, I tell you. So, good evening, everyone. Later than planned. Sorry. Zoom call went on a bit longer. And I was participating, so I've taken my makeup off, I've double cleansed, toned. Because otherwise it would have been an even longer live. So, but I've had some issues with my messenger. I was trying to send photos or images over to a lady, and they weren't going through. And a couple of other people come back and said, "I got your text, but I didn't get the image. Where's the image?" So I had to uninstall and reinstall my messenger. So I'm just hoping now that when I go back to these ladies in a little while, or tomorrow, that they're actually going to see the images that I'm sending, because for some reason it wasn't going to play ball. So I hope I am live. It says I'm live, so I hope I'm live. I'm just going to check myself on my tablet. If you are scrolling and you've just come across my face and you've got that live in the corner, come and say hi. It is late, I know. A lot of you are probably winding down because it's a weeknight and you've probably got to get up early in the morning for your kids, or whatever you've got to get up early for. So I'm not going to make this a very long live. In fact, I'll try and keep it as short as I can, because I know it's late. And I can give you a time check. The time check is 10 to 10. Getting later and later and later. So I'm so sorry. But anyway, I hope you caught my live earlier, showing the amazing blue, the baby blue eyeshadow stick. And I did make a link, and I put that link into the comments on that live. So the link is there, guys. You take out what you don't want. If you got 3 items or more that's in the special, you're going to save 15%. If you take some of the special out and you've got to leave the other ones in, you should still get roughly a 20% saving, depending on what you take out and what you leave in. So if you need any help with that, please let us know. But I'm just doing the bundles like that for you guys, so you can just have a browse, and then if you need any help, come back and I can help you with that, because that's the whole point of the bundles. It's not for you just to go straight off and purchase, but if you need any help, to come back to me and say, right, I'm not sure how I want this and this, but I'm not sure how to remove it off that link, and then I can remove it for you, and then I can send you the link back with those items taken away and the ones that you want. Make it easier for you guys, because that's what I'm here for. Okay. I don't think putting my word in is going to work, because I think I can only do it once a day anyway, but we're going to try it. It might come up, it may not come up. We'll see. We'll put it in. It may work, it may not work. Anyway, we just toned. I'm going to go on with my eye cream and my serum and moisturiser in a sec, but first of all, we're going to take my gummies on my hands and nice and clean from washing my face. So I won't be a bit damp on my topless because I splashed myself with water. It's not my dinner. I didn't dribble. It was just me double cleansing my face. So 2 gummies. I just love the smell of these as well. Since I opened that packet, just sit here and just smell that mango and citrus basically all night long. And the reason why we said they're in the packaging rather than in a pot, because it helps to save our planet, guys, because it's less manufacturers of packaging as well, all for saving the planet. So these 2 little babies are going to help your hair, your skin and nails. I don't know whether you noticed in some of my pictures, I've noticed that I've got very fine bits of hair sticking up all over the place, that my hair is definitely sprouting. And you may have saw on my profile this morning, I think it was this morning, pretty sure it was this morning, that I put 2 pictures side by side, my first day and it was on the 3rd of August and then the 3rd of September, side by side. My hair hasn't really grown much in length, but from the back of it, where it was quite see-through, it's not so see-through anymore, because when I brush my hair, when it's dry or when it's wet, I have hardly any fallout now. So obviously my hair is not shredding as much as it did. So therefore it's starting to look more fuller, which I'm absolutely amazed about. I know I look a mess now, guys, but it's late. It is very, very late. And in fact, I am very, very aware of my menopausal brain fog kicking in. So these two little buddies here are going to be your best friend if it comes to hair, skin and nails. Because of the ingredients in here, you've got germinated green pea, you have got selenium, which is going to help with your hair colour. It's going to stop your hair from shredding. It's going to help to strengthen your follicles. You've got folic acid, you've got zinc, you've got B12, you've got vitamin C, and you've got biotin. Those ingredients, guys, are the powerhouse, all natural, to help with your hair, your skin and your nails. Vegan friendly, guys, because they do not contain gelatin, and they are major allergens free. So there's no shellfish, nuts, dairy, GMO, gluten and gelatin, and I'm sure I'm missing out some another one ingredients, but if you go on my stories, it's there, guys, or I can shoot you over. And it's a mango citrus flavour as well, guys. Just 2 a day. You can take them in the morning, you can take them in the afternoon, you can take them in the evening, take them whenever you want. I'm taking mine at night, simple fact, because if I have caffeine throughout the day, I want to be caffeine free at least 2 hours before I take these and 2 hours after I take these, because caffeine will prevent or reduce the absorption of the biotin from the gummies if you have caffeine in your stomach when you take these. And now I'm going to put them in my mouth. And then I'm going to get on. I'll just sit here and savour it. If you could taste these right now, if you've got a sweet tooth and you need that, you get that craving for something sweet at night, which I know happens to a lot of us in menopause. You seem to get that craving. This hits the spot for me. Did you get the pictures, Suzanne, that I sent you? Hopefully they've gone through this time. I had to uninstall and reinstall my Messenger to send them, so I don't know why, what was going on with Messenger. Or it might have even been my phone, I don't know. But hopefully you got the images I sent you. But yeah, these have got less than 1 grape in sugar, guys. So they are quite low. They are quite low in sugar. If you know what not 1 grape, 1 raisin. If anyone can find out the sugar content of 1 raisin, these are less than 1 raisin. Right, let's go on with my skincare. So I've just toned as I came on. I've double cleansed using my cleansing balm and my Glow Complexion cleanser. Hi, yes, I did. Pardon, thank you. Oh, you're welcome. Glad you got me at the end. I don't know why, but it must have been something wrong with either my phone or Messenger, because I've had quite a few people come back saying I received a text but not the image. So I don't know whether it's message playing up or in my phone. So I turned my phone off and rebooted my phone, and that didn't seem to work. So I uninstalled and reinstalled Messenger. So hopefully that has solved the issue of not getting the photos, the images to go through. Okay. So yeah, got a little bit later because we were on a Zoom talking about different things. That's what I love about the Zoom. The Zooms are so good because we get to discuss things and hear things and find out what other people are doing. So, you know, because doing our business, sometimes, you know, we do things and then think, well, this is not working. This, you know, what can we do that's different? We sort of like bounce off of each other, which is nice. Plus the fact we've done 3 blitzes tonight, 3 half-an-hour sessions. So yeah, so I was trying to get into a lot of people's inboxes with my messaging as well. But yeah, as I said, a lot of my images didn't go through, which is a pain. But it is what it is. Right, that's my eye cream done. As I said, guys, it's my birthday month. So if you want to have a browse at my website, because even though we've got special on the eyeshadow sticks, all the mascaras and the liquid eyeshadow and the all-in-one Bare You sticks, I can still do you personalised bundles for your skincare for your BB cream, primer, setting products, other eyeshadows, lipsticks, guys, lip liners. So if there's anything particularly that you want, let me know. Because if you've got 2 or more items, I can put them into a bundle for you, and I can save you 10, 15 or 20% on them as well, guys, even though they're not on the website. But have a browse on the website and let me know what it is that you are after, so that I can help give you the best possible deal on that particular item that you want. And if you are after a mascara and you have used our lash primer or lash serum, which are these 2 babies, this baby I can save you money on. This one is already discounted on the website, guys, in our last chance deals, because this sadly one is retiring, because we've got the Quadra 4-in-1 now that has got lash primer. I think the primer is still going, but the lash serum is being retired. But you can still grab these and still get a bargain on these, guys, if you want these to go with the 4D or the Epic Twisted, and I can do you a deal on them as well. So just let me know if that's what you're after, because now is the time to stock up a little bit and get yourself some bargains to take you into the winter months. And if you need a foundation and you're not sure what shade you are, or what primer you need, or you want a dewy finish or you want a matte finish, then get into my inbox, guys, or drop me a message here and say shade match, and I can talk to you about it, and we can get you the best possible deal on those items, guys. Because I said it's my birthday month and I want to give back to you guys as much as I can by doing bundles. So we've got a bundle. Today is the 5th or the 4th? Got lost track of the days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. No, it's the 5th. The 5th today. So we've got 5 bundles that I've done. So if you want to know what bundle 1, 2, 3 and 4 was, again, put the numbers in the link, and I can send you over the details what they were, and give you the idea of what the prices are. Okay, so that, guys, is my skincare done and dusted for tonight. Not bad for somebody turning 59 next week. Well, I don't think so. Let me know what you think. Do you think I'm looking my age? Let me know in the comments. Not because I'm vain. Definitely not vain. So yeah, that's my skincare all done for tonight. I need to see what how I am back from, now that I'm back from holiday, I need to try and start selling unique on Facebook. Okay, what we can do, Suzanne, is if you've got an evening free, we can do a one-to-one FaceTime on here, or we can do it on a Zoom if you want to, and I can go through some things with you that will help you get started. No, you definitely don't look your age, hon. I'll keep you as a friend, Susanna. The check's in the post. But yeah, if you want to do a one-to-one with me, and then I can give you some pointers on how you can get started onto doing that on your Facebook. So if you want to do that, just let me know in Messenger, and we can arrange that. So yeah, anyway, if you had enjoyed today's live, guys, don't forget to heart it. Definitely drop me a message if you need any help, and please hit that share button, guys, and share it to your profile, and come back and put shared in the comments so that I can add you into my appreciation jar as well. And I will be live tomorrow. I'm not sure what time yet, but I will be live sometime during the day to do another makeup. If there's a particular makeup you want to see, again, guys, get into my inbox and say you'd like to see so and so, and then if I've got it, I'll show you it. or put it on here what you'd like to see. If there's a particular eyeshadow you want to see, if there's a particular mascara you want to see, lip liner, lipstick, whatever, and I can show that to you on here, and then you can see it and in action. I think that's the word I'm looking for. Yeah, in action. So I am so tired, and I need to drink as well. So, and the drink I mean water. I don't drink any alcohol. I don't drink coffee this time of night anyway. I have to say my gummy, so I'm caffeine free now for at least 2 hours before I go to bed. And it will be about 2 hours I go to bed, because it's now 10 o'clock-ish. And I normally go to bed around about midnight or just after. So, yeah. So I'm just going to go down and drink a glass of water. And I've got a few more messages to send out tonight. And then I think I should probably just chill out for a little while. But my inbox is always open, guys. So always pop in and message me. If we're not friends on Facebook, send me a friend's request first, because sometimes the messages don't come through. They go straight to spam because we're not connected. Facebook do not see us as a connection, so therefore they won't send the message through. So send me a friend's request. But as I said, guys, if I've given you value, resonated with you, press it around the screen, follow, like, send me a friend's request, and don't forget to heart it. And if you're on replay and the live's not there, then put hashtag replay so that I know that you stopped by. See what I mean? I can't get my words out. Stop by, and I can come back and say thank you to you for watching. But yeah, it's been a long day. I've been up since 7. Well, no, I was awake at 6. I was on my phone quite early this morning to messaging my other ladies in other countries. So it's been a long day. So I'm going to love you and leave you, and I will see you tomorrow. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to share this out for me as well, and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Bye.